Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Ollama to N8n. So let's get started. First, access N8n. Open your N8n instance in a browser using your VPS hostname or IP, then log in. Create a new workflow by clicking the button on the top right, then add a node by searching for Ollama chat model. Then connect to Ollama. In the node configuration, open the credential to connect with menu and create new credentials. Enter the base URL of your Ollama instance, for example, localhost or your Docker container name, then save. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. After that, select a model. Once connected, choose a model from the model dropdown. If it's empty, refresh N8n or install supported models via the Ollama CLI. For example, run this command. You can also create custom models with specific runtime settings like temperature by defining a model file and applying it with Ollama CLI. Then configure prompt settings. You can control how prompts are sent to Ollama. Connected chat trigger passes messages directly, but lets you add prompts AI, system, or user for more control. Define below lets you create reusable or dynamic prompts, useful when working with live data. Finally, test the connection. Save your workflow, open the chat trigger node, and send a test message. If everything works, the nodes will turn green. If stuck, reload N8n and try again. And that's it, you've successfully connected Ollama with N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.